how to check the battery status, level, and capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on About Phone. Next, we scroll down and then tap on battery information. In here, you can find your battery status, battery level, and your battery capacity. And here said the typical capacity has been tested under third-party laboratory conditions. The typical capacity is the estimated average capacity considering the deviation in battery capacity among the battery samples tested under the IEC 61960 standard. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.